Where is the Reptule Ravine? Tell me. Is Wow the name of a desert? A forest?
I think it's pronounced wow.
That's what I said.
No, you said wow.
No, I said... I don't care! Maybe it's some kind of reptile speak. You're almost a reptile. Find out what it means. Listen, I just want to talk to you. Where?
I just stop!
Don't let go, Destructs!
I don't need you to tell me that!
This can't get any worse!
Would you say it?
Yeah, Ty. Come on, say it.
Let's strucst it up. Hey, Opa. Boom! Did it. And by the way, you look terrible in red.